Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're continuing on a series with best SDS rotary hammers, and on this episode, we're going to be talking about twin turbos again. And if you've been following the channel, you know every time we talk about Bosch bi-turbo, we make a joke about twin turbos, because you know, bi-turbos, two turbos, twin, I don't know, whatever. Anyways, point is, on this episode, we're going to be talking about this Bosch 18V SDS Max Profactor rotary hammer, and this is an 18V tool designed for SDS Max type job applications.